WOLF stock analysis and WOLF stock prediction. So in this one brief and short 1-minute video, what I'm doing is showing you my exact play. And as the only guy in the space, has done over 42,000 videos over 5 years. I've seen personally what's printing and what's not. So especially with this thing, let's do this. Yeah, I've been just bearish quite hard. And I'm not just saying this just to say, it's like literally the truth, because when it was 10 bucks, guess who was the one freaking being bearish here? Yes, it was me. Here's the proof. You might think I'm lying, but this is me showing you the proof right here. 10:06 at the time, and at the time here, this was sitting at like 10 of December 2024. Started melting, and ultimately, man, like the likelihood that we keep making lower lows is very high. So yeah, I'm not just gonna immediately sell though, you know. So I'm just still waiting. So I have a lot of Wolf receipts. 35. If you want to stay tuned, want to learn how to make it 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.